Hey there guys, Chet here. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add personalization fields to your contacts in Brevo so that you can make your emails and automations feel more customized and relevant for every individual subscriber. But before we begin, if you're new to Brevo, you can get 50% off of the starter and the business plans for your first 3 months using the link that we've put down below in the description. You'll also get access to my complete Brevo course, which will walk you through everything you need to know to master the platform step by step. So let's get started. To add personalization fields, start by logging into your Brevo account. After logging in, you will land on your main dashboard. From here, move to the left side menu and click on the CRM tab. This will expand into a submenu with several options like lists, segments, companies, deals, tasks, and custom objects. Since personalization fields are created and stored inside contact details, click on the Contacts tab. This will take you to the Contacts page where all of your contacts are listed. Look for the contact list that contains the contact you want to edit and click on the contact name to open their profile. And when you open the contact profile, you'll see different sections on the left side under information. Here is where you'll find existing fields such as first name, last name, email address, phone number, and company. To add or modify personalization fields, click on the gear icon next to the information section. This icon will let you manage or create new custom fields for your contacts. Once you click the settings icon, a contact settings window will then appear. Inside this settings area, you'll notice groups of attributes such as information, socials, and others depending on your account setup. Each group holds a set of attributes. For example, the information group may include fields like first name, last name, email, SMS, external ID, contact owner, landline number, double opt-in, and opt-in. Now, keep in mind that these options can differ slightly based on your campaign setup or how your account has been configured. You can rearrange the fields easily by dragging them up or down within their group to organize them in a way that better fits your workflow. If you want to create a new attribute group, click on the plus icon next to your groups. A pop-up window will appear asking you to enter a name for the new group. Once you've typed the name, click the Create Group button. After the button is created, you can drag existing attributes into it. Simply click and hold the attribute that you want to move, drag it into your newly created group, and release it there. Now, this is helpful for keeping similar types of attributes, such as demographic or engagement details, organized together. Now that you know how to manage and organize existing attributes, let's look at how to create new personalization fields from scratch. To add a new contact attribute, go back to your main contact profile view. Are you there? So at the top right corner of the page, next to the notification icon, you'll see another settings icon. Click on it, and you'll be redirected to the contact settings area. Here you will find different configuration options like contact attributes, companies, webhooks, unengaged contacts, and Apple MPP opens in segments. Since we want to add a new personalization field, click on the Contact Attributes option. This will take you to a page titled Contact Attributes, naturally, where you'll see 3 main sections: normal attributes, transactional attributes, and calculated values. Each of these serves a different purpose. Normal attributes are standard contact fields like name, phone number, or city, the kind of data you collect directly from subscribers. Transactional attributes are automatically filled by actions taken in your campaign, such as when a contact opens or even clicks on an email. Calculated values are metrics Brevo generates based on a contact's behavior, such as engagement scores or even purchase frequency. To add a new personalization field, click the Add a New Attribute button in the top right corner. This will open a pop-up window labeled Attribute Settings. Here, type the name of the new attribute you want to create, for example, birthday or city or customer type. Next, choose the data type from the drop-down menu. Now, Brevo offers several data types to fit your needs. You can select text if the field will store written information like a name or a city, a number for numerical data like order count or even age, date for information such as a subscription or birth date, or Boolean for yes or no type answers like is premium member. After entering the name and selecting the data type, click on the Create Attribute button. Your new personalization field will now appear in the list of contact attributes. Once created, you can organize the new attribute by dragging it into the appropriate group, just like all of the other attributes. For example, if you added a field called a customer type, you could move it into a group named preferences or customer details for better organization. You can create as many personalized fields as you need depending on how much data you want to collect and use in your campaigns. These fields make your marketing more effective because they allow you to personalize your emails, automations, and segmentations. For instance, you can use a contact's first name, city, or purchase type inside of your email content to make messages feel more relevant and engaging. Once you've added and arranged all of your attributes, go back to the contact section. You'll now see your newly created fields available in the contact details. And then, of course, from here, you can start filling in those fields manually or import them using a contact list upload. And that's it. That's exactly how you easily add personalization fields to your contacts in Brevo. With this feature, you can segment your audience more precisely and create emails that speak directly to every subscriber. And if you want to explore more Brevo further, check out the link that we've put down below in the description. You'll get 50% off the starter and the business plans for your first 3 months, plus access to our complete Brevo course that teaches you how to master every feature step by step. All right, that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.